everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super gorgeous paper quilling snowflake wall hanging or door hanging for the Christmas decoration in the color combination of blue and white. So I will share from the scratch how to make these two different styles of snowflakes using paper quilling strips with the mirror decoration. And trust me, this is looking very gorgeous from both the sides, so you can hang between the doors or in the balcony, or you can decorate the Christmas tree using these beautiful snowflake hangings. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. I'm starting with my first snowflake, and for this I'm taking one strip of light blue color in 3 mm, just dividing in two parts. Take one of the half part and start making the coil. So first I am making teardrop shape. This is the bended teardrop shape. Similarly I am making one more using remaining half part. Then I am taking half strip of white color in 3 mm and making one teardrop shape. After that I am joining all three petals together. And wrapping it using white color strip. So the petal is ready. In the same way we need total 6 petals. So now I am joining 6 petals together and making the flower kind of shape. Like this, keep it aside. Then for the next shape I am taking 1/4 strip of light blue color and making one leaf shape. I am taking half strip of white color and making one more leaf shape. I have already prepared one white leaf already, so joining two together, and in the center I am adding light blue color leaf. So again we need total 6 these type of shapes. Now on top of each petal I am sticking these designs. Like this. Then for the next shape I am taking half strip of dark blue color and creating one leaf shape. Then I am taking half strip of white color and creating the leaf shape again. Similarly I have already prepared one more, so joining two petals together, connecting the long dark blue leaf with this. And on top of this I am adding one more shape. For this I am taking half strip of dark blue color and 1/4 strip of light blue color and just making one tight leaf shape. So sticking between these two white petals, and this is done. So we need total 6 these type of patterns. Now between each petal I am going to stick this pattern. and it should look like this, looking very pretty. Then it's time to decorate this with some mirrors. So in the center I am adding circular mirror. Then between the petals I am adding small leaf shaped mirrors. Then on topmost design I am sticking some diamond shaped mirrors. So it's all up to you, whatever mirror shapes you have you can decorate according to your requirement. And this is done, so our first snowflake is ready. Very gorgeous. Now I'm proceeding for the second snowflake, and for this I'm taking half strip of dark blue color and making one Malaysian flower petal. I'm wrapping this petal using light blue color strip. Just wiping out the excess glue marks immediately using wet brush. Now I am joining total 6 petals together. Like this. Then for the next shape I am taking half strip of white color and making one leaf shape. So between each petal I am going to stick this white leaf design. Like so. Then for the next shape I am taking half strip of light blue color and making one bended teardrop shape. Taking one more half strip of light blue color and making one more bended teardrop shape, connecting 2 petals together. Then for the next shape I am taking 1/4 strip of dark blue color and making one bended leaf shape. Similarly making one more. Now joining these 2 petals on top of light blue color teardrops. And in the bottom I am adding one white color tight coil which is made using half strip of white color. For all the designs I am using 3 mm strips only and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. So the pattern is ready. We need total 6 this type of pattern. So I am connecting these patterns between each white color leaf petal on top of Malaysian flower petal. like this. And then it's time to decorate this with some mirrors. So this time I am using circular mirror for the center, and on topmost part of the design I am using square mirrors and sticking it diagonally like this. And the second snowflake is also ready. Now to make hangings, here I am taking silver color jump ring, passing two blue color beads through this, one in small size, one in bigger size, twisting the remaining wire using plier and making the loop. Then taking one silver jump ring, passing the looped pearl through this, and then passing it through one of the bottom part of the second snowflake, that is smaller snowflake, like this. Just secure the jump ring nicely. And then I'm taking one more silver jump ring, passing one silver bells through this, then adding one blue color tassel and connecting with the other part of the bead hanging like this. So it should look like this. This is looking very pretty, isn't it? Now I'm taking one more silver color jump ring, just opening this, passing through the one part of bigger size snowflake, then adding this beautiful hanging which is similar to the previous one, just instead of blue I have used here white tassel, connecting with the jump ring. And similarly I have already added one more on the other side of the snowflake. Like this. Now in the center we have to attach the hanging. So taking one more silver jump ring, passing through the center petal, adding the bead design through this, and then we just need to connect the center part with the bottom snowflake using one more silver jump ring, like this. And then at the end I am passing one silver jump ring through the topmost petal, passing the keychain hanging through this and just securing it nicely. And see, the beautiful snowflake hanging for the Christmas decoration is ready, and you can create multiple colors of the snowflakes to make different color combinations of the designs like pink, yellow, green, and decorate your house, decorate your Christmas trees in the upcoming festival. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions, and if you have any special request of the video, just drop the comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.